Dr. Lainka Dewumi, and I'll be sharing with you, just introducing to you why the virtual laboratories, why did S2P Africa decide to come up with this project. There are two main reasons why we had to have this. One, to showcase what our students can do if we teach them the right theory, to be able to connect it with product making. And two, things that we can use in classrooms, laboratories that we can use in classrooms while we are instructing the theory, so that the students immediately can connect what they are doing in the class with what they are going to be doing for the rest of their lives. We instructed the students in the classroom two courses on continuum mechanics in their third year and their fourth year. And their fourth year, they go on Students Industrial Work Experience Scheme. S2P Africa decided to take in students that have already gone through the continuum mechanics class, had already gone through 3D modeling using the Autodesk Fusion, and also had a little bit of expertise in using mathematical software for their coding in class. We took them in and gave them a task to begin to design projects for virtual laboratories that we could use for engineering education. I want us to remember that these students are in their fourth year, and there are four major skills that they have. One, symbolic algebra using Mathematica. Two, the Autodesk Fusion 360, not just the graphical user interface, but also the applications programmers interface. We actually motivated these students that in the 21st century, you cannot be carrying out manual computations. Industries are looking for those that are skilled in programming as engineering graduates. So these students, right from their third year, are already being able to program using Mathematica to solve all their equations while the course is ongoing. Autodesk Fusion 360, you can actually use this for 3D modeling from two different angles. One, using the graphical user's interface, using the application programming interface. Now, the applications programming interface gives a lot of flexibility, especially when you are dealing with complex models. And you can be very sure that those models are accurate, because all you need to do is that you go to your lines of codes if you want to parameterize and just change some parameters on those lines of code, and you get your models being generated. Another skill that they have is using the Autodesk CFD package. And this is very important, especially for the virtual lab projects. Now, these projects are going to be turned into interactive videos that can be used in class for engineering design and simulation lectures. So right now, I'm going to invite one of the student interns. His name, for short, we call him Okwi, Okwi Unwadoka. I want to say that this student actually was our best student in the continuum mechanics, but we weren't yet satisfied with that, because we know students can get high grades if you teach them theory. But what can he do with what he has learned in class? So he'll be showing us one of the projects they worked on as part of what we've done for the virtual lab laboratories. Okwi, you are welcome.